It's so simple, right? It's so simple. There's only two things that have ever existed, and there is our awareness and everything else, right? And I know it seems weird to split them into these two categories, but the reason why is awareness is primary. And that means to know all of this experience, the colors in this room, the sound of my voice, the thoughts that are accompanying it, your body in this chair or the cushions, relaxing, to know all of these appearances, you need to have awareness. And to know awareness, you need to have all these appearances. Without the appearances, awareness is just a non-conceptual void, right? It's something you cannot experience. You can never really fully experience awareness because it isn't a thing, but you know it by this rendition of this display, this bright and beautiful display that unfolds unceasingly before us. So we spend most of our lives learning that this display is separate from us. We learn this from when we're born, that you are a thing, your name is Jenny, that's your toy, this is your family, that's your house, that's your culture, that's over there. And then maybe there's some bias. We don't like them, but we do like those. And we learn this separation as children, but it's inseparable. You cannot separate awareness from the appearances. And what this means is when you get down to the very foundation of being a human and all of this confusion that we have around our lives, there's something that's very simple. The very, very basic statement that you can say as a human is, I am aware. It's so simple. I am aware. This doesn't require a culture. It doesn't require intelligence. It doesn't require money. It doesn't require any of these things that we use to divide us. It's the basic fundamental premise of a human. I am aware. And when you rely on that, you become supremely confident, because you may not know the answers to all of these questions that we have, but you can always go to that place where you say to yourself, I am aware. And that's the foundation of being a human. And what's so funny about it is that simplicity, because it is super simple, unleashes so much power in your life. To begin to rely on that awareness, because once you recognize that the only thing you can say is I am aware, and if all of the appearances are only known through awareness, then the next evolution of that is I am awareness.